Hey guys, welcome again to our channel. I am ready for love with Canessa and Jerome. Yeah, no, so we don't hear from me for quite some time, but people are still here, right? Man, like it's a struggle to do this video because like the mash up my sick bad, but
you're not sick bad.
the sick babe.
You're actually.
You're
little too plastic. You're not sick bad.
I can't articulate as well. Articulate. I can't sick. But we there going to hold it and a COVID-6 still, but yeah. So today we have a little fun game video for you guys.
Yeah.
Before we get into it though, I just want to remind you that if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. Like the video, share the video. And as you go along, just drop your comments down below. Alright? So babe, tell them what the video will be about today.
So we're going to play an emoji quiz game. Because we played one at youth meeting the other day and it was fun. So virtual youth meeting. I'm gonna try, you know. So it was fun, so we said we're gonna play one film. Yeah. What is this?
Bookworm.
Yes. Why you get it?
Jenna, yes it. Oh, and remember guys, Canessa suggestion, she never said it yet. She said if you want it to be a prize challenge, let us know below. You see it, we're not back down from that all. So if it's a case that you want it to be a prize challenge, then I will gift her if she will. And then if
so you guys tell us down below what you want the conditions to be for the winner and the loser. Alright? So the next one is, so we're gonna do 5 and who get the most out of the 5.
Alright, 10, you heard of the 5.
Yeah.
So we got 1 point, so please write down my 1.
You want to write down?
Please you know what the second number is.
And that's for you. You just have got done for your 5.
Oh, so I don't know if police car.
Right in. Me don't like say I get them. We should have trained them before, you know.
You didn't train me.
Stop telling lie. I
didn't.
Me just a while ago give him a tutorial on this game.
Alright. This one now is
Welcome.
a sick ambulance, sick car mask. What is going on? You know, babe.
This is your 3rd one. You need to answer. Me can't help you.
Car sick.
Alright.
What is that rusty man? We got school.
I can't tell you.
No, you didn't.
Me not just give a tutorial for the game. Stop tell lies.
What have you know? Alright. But this one now is a chair on head. Head chair? No, so this is not that. This is the edge.
Where are the family from?
Our chair head.
In the next round, if you can get it, and me know it, me supposed to get the point.
Okay. Pass it on.
Pass.
So what's the answer?
So you're giving it to me?
Okay. No, I need to say it, babe. Not
Chairman. That's so nice.
Okay. What we got? Yeah?
3.
So what the last one is now? The last question. So corn flour. Something in corn flour? No, corn flour. Something in corn flour? How much is this one? One. Corn flour. Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, cheat.
It just corn. So what is
So
it?
flour spill.
Oh, so I eat them.
Should have done no.
Corn flour, but what's that?
A corn flour?
First meal that I tell you.
So this is nice. Wait, you get that all ago?
Yeah. This one is so easy.
Let me see.
Box juice.
Another juice spill.
I was school as a youth.
And that one.
No, stop. And a box juice. But I hear one still.
So you come complain my one.
Alright, go ahead.
So can you can't get it, you want to fling it, can't give me now.
Alright, go ahead. They not say nothing, they just have work the thing, just
Me
start.
just take out it.
Yes.
Juice box. Juice box.
What a teething game this. So you're saying that's box juice.
Oh.
They gave the name America. Jamaica would say box juice.
Oh. But
juice
you didn't
box.
get it. You did not get the
What is
point,
there?
sir. You didn't get the point.
Okay.
The point.
Number 2.
So this is my second one then.
Mm-hmm.
Book. No, we don't know them. I want.
You don't know?
What is?
I don't
Me
know.
not understand that one. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Moo. You know for teeth, you
You
know?
know teeth, what is it when you see?
Me not like say you know what. Oh. Book.
I want you to have seconds left.
No, because you never get no time in a year first.
So you can't just have it for the entire time more long.
No, yeah, next round we time it.
No, but earlier when I was waiting long and you said to me say if you want you would choose the answer or something.
You want to choose the answer?
Yeah, if you get it right.
Yeah, teeth.
You want me to choose the answer?
No, let me get one more, yes. Book.
Just give me a chance and long guys.
Alright, go on, go on, go on.
Bookstore.
Your teeth.
Come right over. Come
I
on.
not like you.
There we are 2 more.
Football.
You know me. Let's have a football sport.
You leave me, huh? Get that. Time bomb.
Okay. The last one happened.
So it will tie up.
Yes.
King prawn.
What's a thing for another?
Another?
Okay, okay.
We
So,
tie.
therefore, 1 and then you split it.
Your time now.
So for the 5,
5, but if me know it, me can ball out, and if you know it for me, you can ball
outside
out.
speed challenges.
Yes,
So that means it's nobody's turn. Says who know it.
yes, go on.
We're not trust the party. You're going now. So where you know?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
So this been on training.
If you get that wrong, I might training.
No, we think we
You
do
not
together.
spell it right.
No, we think we do together.
No. What do you mean we do it together? We're
Alright.
competing against each other.
Alright, so we start about it. Alright. So my guess for this is
A trainee, you say what
train driver.
Me too no like you. Me too don't like you.
So it could be biology.
Me vex because you need your name know it.
Ready, your time.
Tennis shoes.
You see, at least me give one chance to do something I'm never rush it. Tennis shoes is it?
Don't play with my point. You're not spelling it right.
Alright, we get the point. You're right. Tennis.
Tennis.
One minute. And change it over to it.
Two S in a tennis?
No man, tennis don't just spell shoes. Right?
Oh.
Sorry.
No.
Yes. Alright, next one. Hot dog. Woo-wee. Hey, don't be angry.
Yeah, look on it before
I'm
me.
not-
I know that. No, you spell it wrong.
So if you can jump on that. Hot dog. Alright.
Angel cake.
What foolishness is that?
Hey. Hey. I know so cake spell sirs.
I'm nervous. To that son, I'm nervous. Honeybees.
Thirteen.
Honeybees, does that make sense?
It now. Let's see if it's right.
Or honeybee. That's stupid though, what I'm afraid.
Why that's stupid?
If it be no Paris honey.
No.
That's right.
You have honeybees.
Bellflowers.
No, yeah, see,
No,
you
I told
can't.
you.
No.
You saw speech
You have your
challenge, babe.
finger over it,
No,
so me could.
no, first not.
Come here if you go so if you see.
At this moment,
Take your
no.
pint, take your pint.
You didn't even check if it's correct. Why would wanna like using a brother? We can't spell. Do this first.
See.
Still get there. Ready. Dessert. Knife. Shark cake. Cut cake. Yes, man. Get it?
Nah, play. Can you left the hard one for me?
Cake knife.
That's how you guess, you know.
Cake knife. I'm not cake knife. Alright, go ahead.
Cake. We can go for clue, because I don't know.
Okay.
Can you clue? For reveal a letter.
You have a number for me?
Oh, alone then give it?
I don't want to show it. This I don't make no sense. Just take it all with alone because we don't know.
Really sorry, Really sorry. Maybe I want to tell where I go wait there.
I don't know.
Then teeth me.
I remove a letter you select. Remove letter you select.
Oh, so that not in there. That not count as one. I want that now.
C-A.
I know Kate then. Or you put in there.
I put in the letter. Pie fork. Come on, this is what that sense. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A pie.
No buy no more later.
You're not buying no more later. So,
pie what?
so I'm putting the pea first and just to make sure. Why I'm fear? Pie. Pie cake.
It's longer than that and owning a cake. Pie.
No.
You can't buy so much we have others to do, you know. But you buy half of one of them.
Skip the one of them game.
Can't skip.
Pie fork cake. Pie knife cake.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake.
See a friend before.
Piece of cake. Bing, bing. Why?
Smoke time. Smoke break.
No, you're wrong. You're wrong.
Smoke. Oh no. Them one. No.
Smoke later.
Yes. No.
Putting back smoke. Smoke.
After smoke.
Smoke alarm.
Actually. What that? No one sleep. We're done.
Baby bottle.
You go say? Okay.
Alright, take a sip. Take a sip.
That's all in back, man. You know where I go. I want to tell you this. Nobody get too excited. Man. Shark cake.
Fish cake. Boo boo. And a fish that.
Gosh.
A fish
Yeah, something named
cake.
shark cake though.
I'm a shark that. A fish that.
What is fish cake?
No fish cake?
You done for food, man.
Cause you're gonna get one right here, say you poo poo.
You see Phantom?
Me just get one. Two bucks.
I don't know something.
So who will get the coin?
You? I don't know, I'm probably say it first.
No.
I don't think it's right.
Alright, I'll tie it. One way I get the coin.
Say I lead my one. Knockout.
Alright, I get one guess, my guess now.
Oh.
I don't know.
I'm a point.
A peanut today. Let me see.
Down. I'm all down.
Yes.
This is foolish now.
Train line.
Say a roll down for me.
We not running down, we still sit down yourself. Move your finger so me can see.
No.
Pen knife.
Pen knife.
Yes. You look nice when you put in your popcorn. Right, no more points. You starfish.
So you have your so far?
Talk to me nice, youth.
Yes,
Fireball.
no,
Firebomb.
this
Firebomb.
This come already.
Firebomb.
You did this one already.
No, next level. This not coming. Firebomb. One, two, three. Come right it in and
Come and
see
try again, no, babe.
what?
Can't do it.
Just see because you lose your control.
If you done first, I send you a CD.
Oh, so no, you want done. You never spell my word.
Guys, we're giving up foolishness.
It's not foolishness of high energy. Alright, one more. You want me to write down the
One
point?
more get 5 points.
You next time get 5 points?
Agree?
Yeah, so I'm gonna turn it so none of we no see it when it come.
Alright.
Ready?
Gas station.
No. Gas house.
You have something in gas house?
Yes. 5 points for me! Come! I'm just tell him what I need for now! Tell him what I need for now because I want my prize! I want my prize! You get your date. You get your date. So I've got my 5 points. 5, 10, 15, 20 points. 20 points. 20 points.
But this one, I'm going to decide.
20 for 11. So even if I didn't get the 5 extra points, I'm gonna win.
People March is my month to see it, so I'm need to get treated.
So, oh, that drop in. Another time now, baby. A challenge time now, sir. Oh, Sarah. Yeah, are you rude?
Stop recording, it's too recording.
Yes, guys. So I have won this challenge, and you can't say me teeth because Una sister said this was a fair and square kind of game. So he lost.
Okay.
I won.
Okay.
He lost.
Okay.
I won. I got 20 points, and he got again. Not even on the board. Not even on the board.
I'll
Okay?
buy you a bottle of water, okay?
No. You guys decide, and it's not no bottle of water because I'm carrying an expensive day to day. So, tell him what he needs to do for me, for my prize. And
Don't be considerate, you know. When I'm back down from at all, so if it's a case that you want it to be a prize challenge, then
listen.
I will gift her if she wins.
Why you never said that when I had my third thing to carry you out? No. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this game, and we hope you guessed along with us and then sing there. So cheer up. Thank you again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it with a friend, share it with your uncle, your grandfather, your mother, your sister, your school friends. Share it with everybody, alright?
Yeah.
And what?
Big up on yourself, no. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Like the video, alright? See you next time.
Bye.
Bottle of water.
No.